welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining in today. And today I created this nice, simple, everyday, glowy look. Even though I use a matte foundation and a matte setting spray, like, you know, my skin is just giving that natural glow. But yeah, I'm like all for like the really quick, simple looks right now, because where are we going? Like, you know, like when the world opens back up, like you just want to throw on something real cute and get to go, and you don't want to waste no time. So this is a very cute, simple, quick and easy look that'll have you looking refreshed and ready to claim the world again. So if you want to see how I created this look, continue to watch. But first, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. Subscribe, like, share, and subscribe, yeah. Just subscribe. So let's get right into the video. guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it very easy, and like, you know, you may not have the products that I have, like especially the eyeshadows, but as you can see, like just like a nice champagne shimmer shade and then a soft brown. Although the brown that I used was a bit darker, I used it very lightly so like it wouldn't be too strong, too pigmented, because I just wanted that like kind of brown flesh tone color, which I achieved. So yeah, go ahead, give a thumbs up. Let me know what other looks you want to see me create and put on my channel, and until then, I will see you in my next upload. Bye guys.